In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hover effect on an image in Wix. Adding a hover effect can really make your site more interactive and engaging, and it's a great way to highlight specific content or images on your web page. So let's dive right in and explore how you can easily implement this on your Wix site. First, you'll want to head over to your Wix website. If you haven't already logged in, you'll need to do that first. Once logged in, you'll be taken directly to the Wix editor, which is the platform where all the magic happens. The editor is a very user-friendly tool, so even if you're new to website design, you should find it quite straightforward to use. Next, look towards the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Add. Clicking on this button will allow you to add a number of different elements to your website. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on adding an image with that special hover effect, so go ahead and click on Add. Now that you've clicked Add, you'll notice a variety of options. For our purposes, we'll be selecting Decorative. The decorative option will contain various elements that are not just functional but also aesthetic, allowing you to choose pieces that cater to your website's theme and style. Once you've clicked on Decorative, take a moment to browse through the available options. After selecting Decorative, you can choose an image to apply the hover effect to. You can click on any image of your choice, but for a more seamless look, you might want to use an image that is already cohesive with your website's design. Once you've chosen your desired image, you'll need to select that same image again. This step may seem a bit redundant, but repeating the selection allows for the hover effect to register properly within the Wix editor, ensuring that everything works smoothly when you apply the final effect. After choosing your image twice, click on it and drag it over the previous image. By doing this, you essentially have two instances of the same image occupying the same space on your web page. This means that when the hover effect is applied, the images will switch seamlessly. Now the final step is clicking on Hover. This option allows you to configure the effect that occurs when someone hovers over the image. You'll find this option in the toolbar that opens once you click your image. Feel free to experiment with different hover effects available to find one that suits your website's aesthetics. And there you have it! You've successfully added a hover effect to an image on your Wix site. It's a simple yet effective way to make your pages more dynamic. Enjoy making your website more interactive, and I hope this tutorial has helped you enhance your site's design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to see more helpful tutorials like this one.